This is Dante Williams, and you're watching
Dante's
Boxing Nation.
This is Showtime, Sean Portman. Filipino Flash, Jesse Burns.
This is Al Bernstein. You're watching Dante's Boxing Nation.
Hi, I'm Sugar Ray.
Chick Shame.
Sergio the last name one.
Dante's Boxing Nation.
Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this is Deontay the Bronze Bomber Wilder.
My name is Gennady Golovkin.
And you're watching
Dante's Boxing Nation.
Hi, this is Julian Jackson, and this is Dante Boxing Nation.
This is Julia Jackson, and you're watching Dante's Boxing Nation. All right. On camera.
Boxing Nation.
Let's get it, Cam. Let's get it, Cam. Got my man Cameron KREAL over here about to go against Maurice Lee right now. The biggest fight of the night right now.
Obey my commands at all times, above all, protect yourself.
KREAL lead pro main event, 6 rounds of boxing in the welterweight division.
Time to work.
Like I was telling you guys before, this is a really competitive matchup. This is somewhat of a step up in competition for Maurice Lee. He's fighting against a guy with a very misleading record in Cameron KREAL, but Cameron KREAL is a really, really good opponent, so this is a good test for Maurice Lee. You see right now Cameron has been the aggressor, and you see Maurice Lee just came back with a little quick counter jab from the southpaw position. Southpaw versus conventional fighter. Right now, Cameron is getting aggressive.
Don't wake him up. Let's go. Wake him up. What you want to do? Get him, Reese. Get him, Reese.
And you know.
Bayless has it 58-56, while judges Dave Moretti and Glenn Trowbridge have it 59-55, all for your winner by unanimous decision. Cameron.
I have a lot of fights. I've been in there with better people. I just think that I walked him down, and I just kept walking him down. And then after that, when I knew that I was winning, I just moved it away.
At what point did you realize that you were winning?
I would say from the fifth round on. The last round, I just took a break and I just ran around.
And was there anything that you saw challenging against Murray? Had you seen him fight before?
I saw him fight before, but I knew that I could walk him down. I knew his punches wouldn't hurt me if I walked him down.
Okay. And is there what are you looking forward to your next fight?
Right now, whatever comes to us.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate
Good
it.
fight.
All right, Cam. Hey, congratulations, man.
Thanks, bro.
She pretty much asked all my questions, but I want to reiterate. So he didn't do anything to basically surprise you in the fight?
No, I felt that I was faster than him. His power wasn't as good as mine.
Dante, you know what? We trained a week for this fight.
A week for this fight?
A week for this fight.
We trained a week.
But I told everybody, I said on my show that I did last week, I said this is going to be a good fight. A lot of people, they look at your record and it's misleading.
Right.
So do you think that's almost an advantage for you because people just look at your record?
I really do think it's an advantage to me.
Yeah.
I really think. With my record, they think, oh yeah, he's easy, I'm going to beat him. And then when I get in there, they're surprised. Yeah.
Now, you know, it's like you're starting to beat a lot of these undefeated prospects. I mean, what's next for you, man?
Whatever they give me.
Whatever they give you, huh? I mean, how far would you say you've come? Like, how much would you say your career has progressed? Because you turned pro early.
17 years old.
Yeah, you didn't really have that much of an amateur pedigree, so a lot of the losses was just experience.
Right. I think I belong on this level. I think I belong, even though I haven't that much experience as amateur or whatever, I think I belong on this level with the top guys.
And you showed it, man. Excellent performance. Another undefeated prospect you beat tonight. Congratulations, man.
Thanks, Dante.
Anything else you want to say to the fans, man?
I just want to give a shout out to Las Vegas Fight Club, all the people around me. They got me. They got to train hard. Dante's Boxing Nation.
Absolutely. And if they want to follow you?
On Instagram at Suave Cam, Facebook Cameron KREAL, Twitter Cameron KREAL. That's about it. Snapchat Cameron KREAL.
That's what it is. Y'all gonna be hearing a lot from my man Cameron KREAL.
Hi, you're watching Dante's Boxing Nation.